72 Havemeyer Place, corner of Ridge and Havemeyer, Greenwich, Connecticut. This is the front of the unit. The extra parking space has a one-car garage. Beautifully done and maintained front yard. Walking through the front door, hall closet, nice big living room, corner, windows, dining area, into the kitchen, sliding doors out to the extra parking space, kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, again hardwood floors throughout, powder room on the first floor, mudroom to the one-car garage, extra long with storage, nice mudroom area, coat closet, and pantry. Now I'm going to go up to the second floor, again coming through the living room, going up the stairs. It's just been freshly painted. Blinds on all the windows. First of the two bedrooms, nice corner. Lots of windows, nice and bright. Custom closet, every closet is custom. Full bath that goes with the bedroom. Nice little dressing area. Master, we have a master closet, nice big master closet. Secondary closet, actually a nice size also, into the master bedroom. Nice and bright, has a fan. Into the master bath, linen closet, double sink, and large shower. Okay, now we're going to go down into the lower level. So you've got a nice big playroom, office, legal egress, closet here, big, another closet here, some of the utilities. We are in town, walking distance to the avenue. We have a generator. We're one of two units. Other unit just sold for $1.5 million. This one is listed at $1.395 million. And you have a nice laundry room. And again, I didn't say it before, but you have a powder room down here. So that's the lower level.